Welcome to our quick guide on my inventory and MachiningCloud. Today, we're diving into how to manage your tools and assemblies with precision, ensuring seamless integration into your CNC workflow. Let's get started. From the home page, navigate to my inventory through my workshop. Here you can effortlessly add, organize, and manage your items. Adding an item to your inventory is simple. Right-click on an item while searching and select Add To. Choose the desired inventory. Or select Add To directly from the product page. You can search for products within your inventories using the filter on the right-hand side. Creating a new inventory is straightforward. Click Manage My Inventory. Then add a new inventory system. Edit the name. Delete other inventories. Toggle specific inventories for customer part numbers, on or off for item searches. And share the inventory with your work group if desired. To filter and view specific inventories, use the taskbar. Select one or multiple inventories. Then apply the filter. If you need to edit a user-uploaded item in your inventory, simply select the item and click Edit to make adjustments. Open the 3D viewer anytime after selecting an item to view the model. To create a new tool assembly from an item in your inventory, select the item. Then choose Create a new tool assembly. It's as easy as that. You can add inventory items to other inventories, jobs, or My Tools in my workshop, as well as sending a copy to another registered user. Exporting items to any of our cloud partners is also possible, along with downloading the model for your intended use. If an item in the inventory is purchasable from MSC, you can add it to the MSC cart directly from here. And you can finalize your purchase through MSC Industrial Supply. By effectively managing your inventories, you can ensure that the right tools are always available, enhancing both efficiency and productivity.